Check for advanced restart button. If it is available, use that. Use to boot into recovery. Use the latest recovery. The link to the recovery is in the community section. You can check out here. As you can see, this is the latest TWRP recovery available for Poco X3. Go to wipe section and select here advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Later go to home section here and select install and select the micro SD card, and wherever you downloaded the ROM zip file, select that and first flash the firmware. 12.5.5.0 is the latest available firmware for Poco X3, the global firmware I am using. Again go to home section and select install and select here ROM zip files. Recently I just made a poll in my community section. You can check out and you can have a look on that for regular updates. And as you can see, Ancient OS and Cherish OS and Pixels Experience 12.1. I asked people which are ROM video first you needed, then people opted for Cherish OS. Here we go, Cherish OS version 3.5.2. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has flashed successfully. Go to home section again and select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Go to again home section and select here reboot and select the system. If you follow the same method, you will never face any problems while flashing any custom ROMs. Perhaps this is a Cherish OS latest version. It's booting into that, and by the way, stay tuned till the end of the video. I'll be explaining everything in detail regarding this particular ROM with latest update. Here we go, it's booted into Cherish OS. Let's begin this video. Hey, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SAMPATH Poco X3 custom ROM reviews. Here we go. This is the Cherish version 3.5.2 with Android version 12L, you can see here. And the security patch is March 5th 2022, and kernel used there is 4.14.198. Argon Surya kernel has been used in this particular ROM, and selling status is enforcing, and build date you can see here March 24th. This is the latest build available for Poco X3, and I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 6 minutes and 1 second. You can see here the maximum is 162 and average is 155 and minimum is 133 GIPS, and CPU is throttled to 94% of its maximum performance. It's pretty good, and even the benchmark results like Android benchmark also, it's pretty good. You can see here 3,48,573, and temperature rise was just 0.7 degrees Celsius, and 3% battery drop has been noticed during this testing of Android benchmark result on Cherish OS latest version for Poco X3. Let me uninstall this. It continuously run in the background, that I don't like it, hence I uninstall that. Okay, and coming to Geekbench scores here, it's also fine. Single score is 530, you can see here, and the multi score is 1617, and the kernel used here is Linux 4.14.198 Argon Surya kernel has been used in this particular ROM. It's working fine, and let me increase a little bit of brightness. Now it's bright enough. Okay, let's see the dialer into the ROM. You will get direct video call feature available in this ROM. It's working fine. I'm using Geo here, and there is a call recording feature also, but it will be notified that the other person is like you are recording the call. That's how it is. And coming to Android 12 widgets, press this OK and select your clock and select the widget. If you want to change in later also, you can see here some of the presets of Android 12 widgets are also available in this ROM. Coming to home settings, let's press again widgets. That's fine. Home settings, this is how the launcher looks. At a glance, notification dots and some of the features you can read here. That's working fine. Swipe to access Google app and overview suggestions are also given here. Into the wallpapers and style, you get plenty of wallpapers. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time to load. All the Android 12 wallpapers are pre-installed in this particular ROM. And let's see the DRM info. level 1 certification such that you can watch all the OTT applications in HD resolution. That's not a problem, like Hotstar, Amazon Prime, whatever you want to use, you can use that. And coming into safety net status, as you can see, it should get passed. As you can see, it's get passed. Fortunately, you can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, or SBI, whatever you want to use, you can use here. As you can see, it's working fine. Even WhatsApp, everything is working fine in this particular ROM. Let's move into settings. Here you get Wi-Fi and network connection and connected devices. In the connected devices, you get Bluetooth, timeout, and pair new devices and connection parameters. Into Cherish settings, you get plenty of customization here. You can see here into the status bar, you get plenty of options regarding clock, date, 4G icon and battery icon, roaming indicator, small mobile type icon, command signal icons, and color status bar icons and battery icon. You can adjust from here. Into quick settings, you get again plenty of options here also. Battery estimation and show privacy indicator for location, vibrate and touch, you can enable or disable. For QS panel, this is, and pull down and show brightness slider, and plenty of options. As you can see, adaptive brightness button and show brightness slider on bottom. And into the themes, you get, this is very important, use black theme. Just enable this whenever you use the dark mode. Whenever you use like this dark mode, as you can see, it's look very cool. And this is like a little bit Oxygen OS type of look has been given from Cherish OS ROM. That's really cool. Even in dark mode, it looks pitch black condition. You need to get that option, then only it will be available. Let me go into Cherish settings and again show you. Into the themes, actually you need to enable this, use black theme, then only you'll get this pitch black condition in dark theme. That's how it is. And Monet engine also, lots of customization available. You can choose the custom color options and dark theme. As I said, you can choose from here too. And icon pack, icon shape, and signal icon, Wi-Fi icon style are given in this ROM. And coming into buttons, here also you get plenty of options. Volume steps you can arrange here, plenty of customization available. Using volume step, you can adjust here, you can customize them. And toggle torch when screen off, you can customize that too. And volume rocker wave and reorient is given. Into the button settings, you get reorient and volume rocker wave and volume steps. Already explained that. And into the animations, you get animation style, you can choose flip or rotate. And animation duration also you can adjust from here. And tiles, animation, interpolator, and screen of animation also you can adjust from here. Into the lock screen settings, you get double tap to sleep and double tap to wake on doors, and always on display is also working fine in this ROM. And lock screen charging information, media art and art filter also given here. Into the power menu, you get advanced restart button and some of the options you can add from here. Into notifications, you get vibrate on connect, call waiting, and disconnect. You can enable or disable from here. Battery charging light and ambient edge lighting, music ticker, heads up makes heads up less annoying also options are given. Into the miscellaneous, there is just charging animation and game space. There are no options to like increase the higher FPS count, and unlimited photo storage in Google is not given here, but unlimited storage in Google Photos is available directly, but there is no options in miscellaneous that you need to keep in mind flashing this ROM. And these are the gaming mode you get. I will show you the BGMI gameplay. Stay tuned till the end of the video. And these are the customization available in this Cherish OS latest version for Poco X with Android 12L. And coming into display settings, you get adaptive brightness, which is working fine, no problem. And dark theme, I already said that. And font size you can adjust, but there are no options to change the fonts. And colors option is given. Don't keep it adaptive or natural, keep it boosted. It looks a little bit pleasing to your eyes. And minimum refresh rate, maximum refresh rate, and smooth display and low power refresh rate is given. You can customize them. And screensaver, tap to wake, wake on plug, display cutout, refresh rate per app is also given. You can choose individual apps, and LCD features are also given in this ROM. Into the wallpapers, I already explained. App settings, you get plenty of options. You can choose here default apps. For example, if you want to change the phone app, I mean dialer as a Truecaller, or browser as some other browser app, you can change from here. And plenty of options like special app access, you get plenty of options here. You can see here on the screen. And into the notifications, you get notification bubbles, conversations, and enhanced notification. And some of the options you can enable or disable from here. Into sound and vibration, direct sound settings are missing here. And touch vibration, haptic feedback, you can enable or disable from here. That's how it is. And vibration for calls and media you can choose here. That's how it is. And security lock screen, you get face unlock, fingerprint unlock, and let's see whether app lock is given or not. No, app lock is not given, and encryption credentials, phone is not encrypted, it's decrypted by default. And let me show you the fingerprint unlock here. As you can see, it's quick, and there is a light sound. If I can make you hear, I don't think so you get audible. There is a clicky sound while unlocking your smartphone, and let me show you the face unlock also. As you can see, it's very quick enough to unlock your smartphone using face unlock and even the fingerprint unlock. And that's all in the settings. Into system, into the gestures, into gesture navigation. Into gesture navigation, there is an option to increase the pill length, but there is no option to increase the pill radius. That's how it is. I mean the thickness of this pill, that's not available. That they need to add that. And swipe to screenshot 3 finger is working fine, as you can see. That's how the features in this particular ROM. Let's see, the developer options is also enabled. Let me disable that from here. USB debugging, by default it's enabled, and there are some options here you can check out. Not required actually. I will disable that. That's how it is. And let's see the BGMI gameplay, what all the graphic settings we get and how it will handle in SANOC and TDM. Let's see in this. And here we go into graphic settings. You get just smooth plus ultra up to 40 fps. If you want, you can use any GFX tool to enable the higher fps count in this BGMI. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below. And many people watching my videos and not subscribing to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys. And also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. Here we go into the bootcamp, and the volume, it's almost 90% now. Not loud enough as we see in some other ROMs, but it's fine enough, not bad too. And regarding downloading this ROM, it took a lot more time. I hope you use any VPN to download this ROM. It may be helpful for you, because I took like 1 hour to find the solution for that. That's why video coming little bit late. And here we go. No one landed here. It's fine, not so laggy or anything like that. Which lobby we get, we don't know. Sometimes many people will land here, and now no one landed. Just see. I'll see around here. It's not a gaming ROM or anything like that, but still you can play in 40 fps. Device will not get warm. That's the benefit if you play in 40 fps. But definitely if the player is with high fps, like if your enemy is with high fps, he will easily finish you. That's how it is. And okay, I'll show you TDM here. No one are found here. I can't show you. Okay, one bot is coming, I guess. Let's finish him and go to TDM. Was it bot? I don't know. Okay, let's close here and go to TDM with same graphics settings, smooth plus ultra, as you can see. And let's see in the BGMI, I mean in the TDM, it was fine in SANOC. And next video maybe around like tomorrow, like that, you will get a video based on ancient OS or pixel experience and at all. Based upon your votings, I will make the video. I'll cover both the videos. Okay, I will come back here and I will show the charging animation and the 33 watts support. As you can see, it is supporting 33 watt fast charging in this particular ROM, and charging animation also you've seen. Once again I will show you. As you can see, that Android 12 charging animation is still available. I hope I explained everything. That's all guys in this video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.